Hey everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking today? Well, today I'm going to take you to the tropics, man. We're going to do a smoky 5-spice Mai Tai. Now, I was at my local market recently, and there was a lady there, a local distiller that makes rum, and she had a smoked rum. And I thought, well, that's sort of interesting, so what can we do with that? So, we're going to make a smoky Mai Tai. So here's how it's going to go. Start out with our Sinship Smoked Rum, a few jiggers of that. This stuff is really, really interesting. Then I made some 5-spice simple syrup. We're just gonna give it a splash, just a teeny bit. Whoop. Splash of fresh pineapple juice. And squeeze a lime. And let's just give it just a dash of cloves, okay? Just to kind of lighten it up a little. Give it a little stir. Then I've got my cute little tiki cup that I got in Maui. I couldn't find any umbrellas, so we're gonna have to go without umbrellas today. Okay, let's give this real easy. Pour it over our ice. Give it a few more cubes. Give it another little stir. Maybe we'll garnish with a little bit of lime and pineapple. And let's give it a taste. Oh, that's so cool. The smoke is really pronounced, big time. But not in a bad way. It's real good, real good. That's yummy, really interesting. And it really needs the club soda to kind of lighten it up. Give this one a go for your next tiki party. Cheers, it's easy breezy.